Hi folks, this is Scott from Scott's Fix and Finish. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about some masonry foundation repairs. If you take a look here, we have a stone foundation that has some damage to the joints in between the stones. The mortar's broken out. As you can see, we've got some water damage here. The water's been coming in for quite a long time and blowing out this mortar. You leave this for a long period of time, eventually these stones will shift away and the whole building is kind of in jeopardy of collapsing. So we want to take care of this. This is kind of like going to the dentist. A little bit of decay repair now keeps you from losing the whole tooth. You look down here, you'll see some pretty big hole here. This can be repaired the same way as this damage up here. And you come around the corner, you see where we actually have a hole where the water is getting between the stone foundation and underneath the building. And this is not desirable because this can make this column start to sink over a period of time. So let's go look at a column that I have ready to repair. So let's take a look at this joint. These have been cleaned out, raked out, swept, and washed so that all the old debris and mortar is out of here. We only go back as deep as we need to hit sound original mortar. There's no need to take any more than that out. So then we slide around here, and down here you can see we've done the repairs. We've actually pushed new mortar into these joints, pushed them in, struck them off with a striker, and packed them in tightly. As you come over here, you'll see, besides doing the tuck pointing on this column, we've actually added a watershed to replace the original one that was broken away. This should keep any water that comes on down here and direct it away from the foundation of the building instead of letting it settle underneath. That's about all there is today about masonry repair. Scott's Fix and Finish.